I've been exploring UKG Pro throughout 2025, and here's my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth it for businesses looking to manage their workforce smarter. UKG Pro, formerly known as Ulti Pro, is a full-suite HR platform tailored for mid-size to large enterprises. It brings together everything from payroll and time tracking to talent management and employee engagement under one clean, AI-enhanced interface. The standout this year is its use of AI-powered insights for workforce analytics, helping HR teams make better decisions faster. The mobile experience is smooth. Employees can access payslips, request leave, and even complete tasks directly from the app, which makes things more convenient across the board. That said, it's not all perfect. The onboarding and implementation process can be complex and time-consuming, especially if you're not already familiar with enterprise-grade HR systems. There's also a learning curve involved, and smaller teams might find it overwhelming. Pricing is another sticking point. UKG Pro isn't cheap, so it may not be the best fit for budget-conscious businesses or startups. Still, if you're part of a growing or large organization looking for an all-in-one solution with serious depth and automation features, it delivers. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.